Okay, we're still working on the review. Number 2 gives me all this information about the two triangles that are down below. And in class, I asked you to go ahead and remove this small triangle and just rewrite it so that you could see that you've got a small triangle and then you have this large triangle that are separate but similar. I went ahead and I looked and I labeled all the parts to each shape that I had, and then I'm solving for this unknown. I'm going to set up my proportion, but I'm going to go ahead and do some color coding. This is the height of a triangle, and so is this. You could also see it like this is the vertical edge, and this is the vertical edge, or this is the right leg, and this is the right leg. And then I'm going to go ahead and just label the bottom here with a squiggly, because some people don't have more than one highlighter, and it just makes it easy to see. Now, with my proportion, I need words for my ratios, and I need words for my two top numbers and two bottom. So I'll go ahead and do yellow, and I'll do squiggly. And then I'm going to do small and large. You can do left and right. Okay, lots of different things. So small and large. You could have done big as well. So small yellow is labeled as 10. Small squiggly is labeled as 16. Large yellow is unknown. And large squiggly is 48. Okay. Before I decide to cross multiply, I want to consider simplifying. I know that both 10 and 16 have something in common, and I can start simple by saying, let's divide by 2. Divide by 2 gives me 5. Dividing by 2 gives me 8. Do they have anything else in common? No, but I think 8 times something gives me 48, and I believe it's 6. 8 times 6, which means up here I would do the same thing. 5 times 6. 5 times 6 is 30. So 30 centimeters is my distance for x here. And then you'd think, okay, well, does that make sense? Well, for me it makes sense because here's my longest, not longest side, but here's my medium length side, which is 48. This has to be my shortest side, and I think that comparison works pretty good. 30 centimeters.